I don't get it. Why'd it have to come to this, Dad?
Well, son, I didn't get rich simply by lawyering. I married into it. Unfortunately, when your mom passed away, she left everything to you.
So you were just using me to do your dirty work.
Oh, you cracked the code.
What's so funny, Butterbean?
Nothing. Nippy's whiskers are tickling me. Who's Nippy? Him.
When possible, make a legal U-turn.
How long will the end last?
Maybe 5 minutes if we stay calm.
We gotta break a window.
It's impossible. There's 1,000 pounds of water pressing against that glass.
Great, great. How could this possibly get any worse?
I'm sorry. I guess the pesto bismol didn't help with the lobster.
Did you eat the shells again?
I don't know. It was on the plate and then it wasn't.
Wait a minute. Does anyone have a lighter?
No. All I got are these stupid, easy, light, waterproof safety matches.
Oh, give me that. Everybody close your eyes.
Maybe that's not the...